Hey guys, what's up? I just want to do a follow-up video on this EXOTAC TITANLIGHT. I did a video on it about 9 months ago. I've had it for about 2 years now, and the O-ring up here is starting to kind of wear out, and the cap is kind of loose, and you can purchase new O-rings for this lighter on EXOTAC's website. I think they give you 2 O-rings plus some replacement flints for like $5, but I didn't want to. I'm impatient and I didn't want to send away for it, so I went down to the Home Depot and matched the O-ring as best as I could to these ones here. I'll let you can pause the video and write down. It's a number 35 O-ring, just for like I found it in the plumbing department next to the faucet parts and whatnot. But yeah, this O-ring, I didn't replace it just yet. I'll show you guys that on camera. It's not rocket science. It's pretty straightforward. But a little tip: before you go replacing the O-ring, I recommend just taking the O-ring off, wiping it down, cleaning it up. Because once I did that and I put it back, it kind of tightened things up a bit. So just by removing it, wiping it down. You could probably put a drop of oil on the O-ring if you wanted to, but I didn't. I just wiped it down, cleaned up some pocket dust and dirt around the threads there where the O-ring sits, and it seemed to have snugged things up a little bit. But since I already got O-rings here, I'm just going to replace it. So this whole package was like $2 at Home Depot. So you can get a whole pack at Home Depot for $2 rather than only 2 for $5 on their website. So I got an ice pick here. I just picked it off. I probably don't need to replace it now, just because, like I said, just by taking it off and then cleaning it and then putting it back on, it seemed to snug up the cap again. So, but it used to be that tight right there. It was very loose. I found every time I reached for it in my pocket, I found that the cap here was halfway unscrewed. So I just want to replace it. So I'm not sure. So this is just for like faucets and whatnot. I don't know if this O-ring that comes with it from the factory is some sort of special chemical resistant O-ring because of the Zippo fluid, or heat resistant. I'm not sure. But for now, I'm just going to go with these faucet O-rings here. So it's not a perfect. I mean, it's pretty damn close. It's not perfect. If you do pick these up, you'll be able to tell. But it does work. So here's the new one. Just stretch it over like that. Roll it down. And then now, it's a very tight fit. Okay? Very tight. You can probably hear the suction. So I'm just going to roll with this one for a bit. Well, if it holds up fine, great, but if it doesn't, I'll let you guys know. Again, here's the O-rings that I bought at Home Depot. You can probably find them at your local hardware store as well, but I just live close to a Home Depot here, so I went there. Anyways, guys, that's it. This O-ring down here, the bottom one, is still pretty good. I don't have to replace it yet. I'm pretty sure it's the same sized O-ring as the one up here, so I got plenty of them. Anyway, there you guys go. I just wanted to do a quick follow-up. After 2 years, the O-ring does kind of wear out. It has for me anyway. It all depends on how much you use it as well, so you have to take that into consideration. But anyway, there it is. I still like this lighter. I still carry it, so just wanted to share that with you guys. Anyway, thanks for watching and subscribing. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one.